What's going on, guys? Just getting on a little bit late. Had to pick up a client. I'm looking at AEMD here for a short, and I'm going to probably get in very soon underneath this area right here, underneath 67 cents. Got Toma in at 369. Very nice. This is just for a short. Okay, I'm in. Oh shit. Oh, that was sweet. Okay. That's what everybody wants to see, right? You guys can hear in the background I have 100. Hey, stop. Now he's destroying. Okay, stop. I just picked up a 110-pound Labrador. Distracting me right now. Looking at the 1 minute here. That was a really nice pop down. Toma already got out, which is probably pretty smart because it practically got extremely close to the 5 minute. Looking at the daily again, it could go down a little bit further. I'm gonna get a little greedy on this one, but you know, if it doesn't work out, it's all good. But that was a really nice call, Toma, to get out that fast. Hey, what's going on, Alex? Welcome back. Now, I need to verify if I have a reason to be getting out soon, other than the fact that it spiked down so quickly and it touched this area right here. This retrace is inevitable for a move like that. But we'll see here. I'll keep it tight. If it goes above, say 61, then I'm out. But I got in at 66 here. The volume's still low, so there's still a chance for it to continue. Hey, what's going on, Lindsay? No, I just got this dog, so I can't really reprimand him for anything. If he starts barking at my cat, I apologize for that. So you may want to turn the volume down on YouTube a bit. This guy's huge. Beautiful Labrador. There's next pop down. This thing's crazy. Okay, and let me just go ahead and type in out AEMD just so I'd be prepared to execute an announcement as soon as I can. So let's go back to the 5 minute chart. Did it touch? Not yet. The 9. I always go to the 5 minute chart for the 9 EMA for a possible exit. So that my possible exit is 344. Other than that, Toma's exit was good because I would say it's legitimate because you can draw a line right here at 348. So that's always a good signal to get out. But you see this right here on the level 2, 105 and 9. There's a chance for it to go down a little bit more. There we go. And I'm out at 3:43. That was fun. Holy crap. I didn't realize that I had this covered. Here I am, guys. Hey, what's going on? So this one was a really fast one. This is good because that way I don't have to worry about a really long stream. So basically, I got in on a 1 minute trigger. I got in a little bit late. Someone on the Discord got in a little bit sweeter than I did at 369 up here. So he pretty much felt that it was ready. In here, you could tell that it was parabolic here, and it was definitely making a very beautiful 1 minute chart right here. On the 2 minute, or basically I was looking at the 15. Okay, let me just start right over. Oh, we always look at the 1 minute chart first. And on the 1 minute chart, we can tell that this was a really good place to rest, but it went further up to here. So this right here would be a great pivot point, support resistant line. There's a lot of different ways we can say it. And then on the 15 minute, it was creating a really nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 15-minute green candles. And on the 5s, getting closer even, still beautiful. A little bit setback right here. Do you see a little retracement? And then it pops back up. And then on the 1 minute, still looks really good, especially with all that extra volume, which are these blue bars right here as it pops up. And then we're just waiting for it to drop because it was overextended. So I got in at 363, and then as usual, I either look for a support resistance line on the chart, and then the next step would be to look at the 5 minute chart, where I have the 5 minute 9 EMA, which I would like it to touch, and it went a little bit further. But right now the blue line is going down, but it was relatively where I had it, and I got out at 3:43. Thank you, Alex. Alex says, I want a dog so bad, but it's just not possible to give it attention with all my work. And that's very admirable of you to say that, because you don't know how many clients I have that just don't have the time. They just want a dog, and then they end up having to get rid of the dog or have me train the dog, and that's just a really bad situation, because even if I train the dog, the dog ends up being really compliant to me, but not to the owner, because the owner is never around. So there are ways around it. Of course, you can hire a daycare, but daycares aren't there to raise your dog right. They're there to keep your dog happy. So Alex, whenever you do have the time, let me know if you ever need any help. Just love doing that. So that was nice. Let me see what else there is. I got AEMD off my small cap chart right here, and it just happened to be the only one that was popping up for a reversal. But this would have been great if I was in that TradeNet intro account that somebody was talking about, and I haven't created the poll yet, and I spoke to my wife about it, and she seems okay with it, with the idea that to do the to challenge myself. But at the same time, it's like, why do that when I can use so many more shares to get a little bit larger profit, right? So I'll ask in the poll later on if y'all are interested. And with the TradeNet, if I ever do think about using TradeNet, it's obviously for experimental purposes, okay? It's just to y'all to understand that if I really want to get serious, I'm definitely going to use my US platform, which is Lightspeed. But TradeNet really gets me on the same level playing field as a lot of other beginners that don't want to put in $25,000 to start off and get pattern day trading account. I did notice a lot of people on YouTube are figuring a way around it. Obviously, you can do 1 or 2 trades a week with intraday within the day, and you can get away with it. But of course, that's still quite a bit of a crutch, right? So we're always trying to get around these things whenever you don't want to go all in with trading, and I think with counter trading, I'm showing that you don't always have to go all in. You can still work if you're in front of a computer, and then get in and out of a trade whenever you have a chance to. But yeah, that's that, guys. I'm gonna have to work on this Labrador here. He's a lot of fun. I wish I could show y'all a picture right now, but yeah, he's huge. Maybe it'll show up pretty clear here. Let me see. I know I'm getting off topic here, so I apologize for that. The guy's a monster. Here he is, right here. Yeah. I don't think that's clear enough. It doesn't justify his size. There you go. This will show you how big he is. But of course, he's out angling me. But the dude's huge. He's a really good looking chocolate Labrador. Anyways. And I think I got out on a pretty good place. I got out right here at 343. Of course, it went down. Of course, it goes a little bit further. I got out 343, and it's popping back up. So we'll just call that a wrap for now. Hopefully, the notification. I've also been told that the notification bell isn't notifying y'all in time. So I apologize for that, but you can always have Discord downloaded on your phone, and in which case I would notify most everybody here, like I did right here. Watching AEMD, and I'm pretty sure I just got here, so I'm pretty sure JNewbie Double Dip as usual is giving out some good news. RG Trader is at lunch, but he's usually really informative. So it's always good. Okay, the Labrador is eating something. I gotta get going. But get on the Discord app, find Jeremy Newbie. It's in the description. I'll see you later. Bye.